Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this session, we'll explore how accepting ourselves, others, and the situation can soften the edge of conflict, moving us towards resolution. Start by finding a comfortable seat. Let your spine lengthen without creating tension. And when you're ready, slowly close your eyes. Soften your shoulders, rest your arms and hands. Relax your forehead, your lips, your jaw, releasing any gripping or holding from your entire face. And now, feel into your breath. Watch the air naturally flowing in and out of your body. Notice the coolness of your breath as it enters your nose. Notice the warm air as you breathe out of your body. Observe the sensations of breathing. And remember, there's no right or wrong way to do this. You're just staying with your breath, noticing the feeling of breathing. Let go of any judgments or labels. Allow your breath to shape itself. Let it be exactly as it is. And for the next few moments, accept the feeling of inhaling and exhaling without trying to change it. And now, let your awareness widen. Stay with your breath while also making room for whatever else is part of your experience. There may be some physical discomfort. Particular kinds of thoughts or distractions. Or you might become aware of emotions. Rather than getting involved in your sensations or thoughts, just allow them. Know that whatever you're experiencing is entirely normal. Let each moment be just as it is. and inevitably, you'll get distracted. When you notice your mind wandering, see if you can accept that the mind is busy. You might silently say to yourself, distracted, and then return to your breath again. Watch your breath, your body, and your mind. Accepting the moment exactly as it is. And now, let your attention soften. When disagreements arise, it's easy to point a finger and lay the blame somewhere. We might think that we are the problem or that someone else is. We may say, "You're too stubborn," or "I'm too much of a pushover," thinking this is why conflict has come up. But when we define our work or personal relationships by pointing out flaws, we're implying that people are somehow inadequate. This only exacerbated the issue at hand. Suppose we approach disagreements as differences of opinion rather than defects in personalities. In that case, we shift from blame and defensiveness to acceptance. Acceptance doesn't mean we stop working towards a solution. It means we make room for everyone involved just as they are. It ensures respect and responsiveness. It reduces frustration, anger, and friction. Accepting others means we give them space to express themselves without judgment. Accepting ourselves means we do the same for our opinions and thoughts. This provides a safe and caring environment where discussion is open and a solution that meets everyone's needs is possible. So the next time you find yourself in a heated debate, judging yourself or others involved, remember your mindfulness practice. Rather than passing judgments or criticizing anyone, approach the situation with acceptance, focusing instead on the issue at hand. Now, come back to your breath. Feel your body in space, making small movements with your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed this practice. Let's meet back here soon.